Hello everyone, so for your Tricking Tuesday for today, we're going to touch back onto that vertical pullback. So now we're going to add on to it. So there's something called a forward figure eight that we would do with one hand, and we're going to add that into the pullback to make it a little more advanced. So now I'm going to take the bow staff, I'm going to bring it towards me, and I'm pushing the tip of the bow staff forward. Once I get here, once I get to where the weapon's going towards my back, I'm going to rotate my wrist and bring the top of the bow staff onto my bicep. Once I'm there, I'm going to pull back, boom, into that little pullback move. So again, I'm going to figure eight, I'm going to have it out, and then back. Me personally, I like to add a little flair by adding a little extension and then pulling back, but you don't have to do that. The great thing about tricking is you can do it however you want. But that is your Tricking Tuesday for today. And remember, don't just be better, be different.